My name is Tori from Keystone Industries, and in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to talk about the fluoride treatment that stays in place, Keystone's Gelato APF Gel. Keystone's fluoride gel is easy to use and takes away the uncomfortable 4-minute chair time and bitter taste that patients are used to. The variety of flavors available for Gelato APF fluoride gel helps to meet patients' taste satisfaction, and most importantly, it reduces plaque buildup. It promotes remineralization to create caries protection and prevention. One of the best parts, the gel stays in place. It's a 60-second acidulated phosphate fluoride that contains 1.23% fluoride ion. The smooth, creamy gel will not run. In fact, it thickens during treatment to prevent patient gagging or discomfort. In the time that you've spent listening to me talk, the treatment is over and mess-free. For more information on Gelato APF Fluoride Gel, visit KeystoneIndustries.com. Thanks for watching on this great day to be in the know.